everyone, this is Krystal, and today I'm sharing the January add-on kit. This is the scrapbooking add-on kit from Citrus Twist Kits. It is absolutely gorgeous. I can't wait to share it all with you. So let's start by taking a look at the papers. First up is this gorgeous specialty paper from Dear Lizzie, She's Magic. And I'm not sure if you can see on camera, but there is kind of a holographic foil on this gorgeous paper. This would be beautiful to fussy cut all those little flowers out and add them to your projects as embellishments. Also from She's Magic, this is Magic. Again, a gorgeous floral on this side, and then the reverse has this minty green pattern. It reminds me of something very vintage. I really love that pattern. Next up is another one from She's Magic. This is Kind Heart. You can see it's covered in all these gorgeous little colorful hearts. And then the back side has this kind of painterly pattern. This would be a great background for somebody who is interested in doing something that looks like mixed media but maybe doesn't like getting dirty so much. This would be a great background paper. This is Lucky Us from Pink Paisley. This is paper number 12. It has all of these beautiful conversation style hearts on the front, and then the back side is another teal geometric print. Very cool. Another one from She's Magic. This is Imagine. Again, another gorgeous floral print, and the back side has a pink polka dot. Also from Lucky Us from Pink Paisley, this is paper number 3. The front side has all of these phrases. You could use this as a background. You could also just fussy cut all of these out and use them as titles or as embellishments on your page. The other side is a yellow and white diagonal stripe. This is paper number 4 from Lucky Us. This side has all these blocks with hearts. Love the colors in this collection. It's absolutely gorgeous. And then the back side is a nice neutral black and white print with X's and O's all over it. And then finally, you also get 2 sheets of cardstock. This is Basil textured cardstock. The colors are Lemonade and Peacock, and you can see how well they coordinate with the papers in this kit. So as for embellishments, you get quite a bit in this kit. So several things from Dear Lizzie's She's Magic. You get the die cut ephemera shapes. Here's a look at everything that is inside that package. Lots of journaling spots, lots of little bits like tickets and things. Also from She's Magic, these set of stickers. These are little phrase stickers in all of these gorgeous colors. There's even some holographic foil hearts on there as well. We get the puffy stickers from She's Magic. These are absolutely adorable. All those little birds and the hearts and rainbows. I love those. For an alpha, we get the Pinkfish Studio Mini Alpha from Office Hours in this gorgeous blue color that coordinates really well with the other bits in this kit. And then finally, from Lucky Us, from Pink Paisley, these enamel shapes in hearts and dots, again, that coordinate really well with this entire kit. So there is a look at the scrapbook kit for January. Of course, you can pick this up in the shop if you're a subscriber, so you can add it to your shipment, so it bundles together. And if you are not a subscriber, be sure to check out the Life Crafted kit this month as well. It is one that you do not want to miss.